Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today starts the 5 days of Valentine's Day, and what that is, it's a collaboration between Dear Julie Julie and Cara Brandon Creations, and I'll show you their Digi kits that they have right now in their store. So if you want to kind of play along or craft along with us, who all are participating in it, you can craft along with us. So this here is from Cara Brandon's Creations, and I hope the color is okay. It's nighttime here, so I'm not sure if the lighting's good, but this is so beautiful. The sheet here, see, then we have this one, and again there you have Cara Brandon's Creation. There's another one of her sheets. I'm going to kind of go through quickly because I'm going to do a project and show y'all what I did. I love this. I love how it's got Poppy and the butterfly, and then these tags are absolutely gorgeous. I love doing tags. So that is Cara's DigiKit that's in her store, and I'm going to link those below for y'all. And this here is from Dear Julie Julie, and this is her kit. She does a lot of ephemera in this kit. This one here, I love the cards. They're so cute. And I'm sorry, my hands are all gluey. I've been working. There's lots and lots of glue all over them. I love the postcards. There you go. So there's Julie's. So you can buy both kits in their store. And again, I'm going to link those below. Now the challenge today is we're having 5 days of Valentine's. So this is day 1, and Cara has given me 2 sheets that Cara and Julie have given me, 1 sheet each of their DigiKit, and I have to create something with it. So let me pull out the kit page. I have here day 1. So day 1 I have to use just what's here. And then on Cara's, now the lighting might be a little different on this one because I printed it on cardstock. But, and that's from Cara's kit there. So I will show you what I made. Now I didn't do a craft along. What I did is I just kind of made, I haven't done a craft along in so long. Y'all know I haven't been on in like 2 years. So it's been a while. But this is what I created with just the 2 DigiKits. And I was able to use, you know, some embellishments that I have. And I just used some muslin here and some, you know, lace there, some tea-dyed lace there. And again, her sheet here. Let's see, I'm going to pull it out so you can see what I'm working with here. So this is the artwork that I used throughout. And I made, what it is it's a lunch bag kit. I made it out of just a lunch kit, and I sewed it and put it together. I love the Poppy and the butterfly on the back. And then I used, again, the background is her digital kit. And then the ephemera is Julie's. And if you hear a lot of crinkling in the background, that's my cat, my kitten, going crazy in the bag I have in the back. So anyway, I just added some tea-dyed fabric that I had, kind of a lacy fabric, and made some little tags out of Julie's kit, and then I added one of my own. There's another one of hers, and I backed them. Most of them are backed. And here you can see, again, I used Julie's little ephemera piece. And I actually took a little piece of Cara's paper and backed it and sewed it on there before putting the rose there. And so that's a little fabric pocket with some tags. And then in the middle, again, I have the background is Cara's paper. And then I used Julie's ephemera and put that little piece down there. I love like a little tag. I'll put it up a little closer for you. And made it like a tag and a pocket all in the same. And put some fabric, some muslin around it. And made another little hope tag. And this is from her paper, from Cara's paper, and I just made a card out of it. So that's that. And there actually is a pocket here, but it's a shallow pocket. It's where the bag is. So I didn't really put anything in there. I sewed in this paper here. And again, Julie's little ephemera pieces there. And I just, you know, sewed on my sewing machine down the center just a couple sheets of tea-dyed paper, or I should say tea-stained paper. I guess it's stained, isn't it? And then again the fabric. And then I did a little collaging on this card here. And this is some sari silk actually that I sewed there, and just sewed that on there. It was a lot of fun making it. And it was a challenge, I'll tell you. It was a challenge just using these 2 sheets. That's all I used, other than, you know, the fabric and things like that. Let's see. Oh, there's a little pocket here. Forgot about that. There's a pocket there, and I used, I left some strings on, and it's just a journaling card. And I did the little whale tab there, and used Cara's paper for that. So there you have it. That's what I made for day 1. Oh, look, I keep missing things. The center, I used, here's the little, see, this is what you see here for Julie's envelope. And I made a little bitty envelope, and I cut out the little heart, and the back has the pretty rose on it. And then I just made a little card to stick in there and put that in the pocket. So there you have it. So that's day 1, y'all, and I can't wait to show you day 2. And if you want to join, just, you know, put down, what is, I'm trying to think, it's hashtag 5-day Val, V-A-L, and then Digi, D-I-G-I. And so you know, you can tag that, and that they can see what you've done for the 5 days of Valentine's. So thank y'all for watching, and again, that's day 1 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day. Take care, y'all. Stay safe.